It's the only thing I'm not really convinced about.
This car costs around 400,000 euros and we don't have a touchpad. Brabus, are you kidding me?
And here it is, guys, the brand new Mercedes Brabus 900 Rocket. It's based on the GT63S. Brabus has done a refinement on that one. Guys, I'm speechless. Just look at this. Today I will be doing a full walk around of this. Later on show you the interior and afterwards drive it. We will be driving it, showing you some sound impressions and experience it on the racetrack outside. I'm so hyped about this car. So do not forget to watch this video until the end. Please subscribe and check this out. Let's start talking about the car in specific. Here we have the Brabus 900 Rocket. This is based on the GT63S. What Brabus has done is they took a GT63S and changed the overall look with the add-ons. Talking about the tech view, they have also pushed the engine from a 4.0 V8 biturbo to a 4.5 liter and modified it, new turbochargers and more. So they pushed it from 639 brake horsepower, stock horsepower from AMG, to 900 horsepower and more than 1000 Newton meter of torque. At this point, also huge thanks to Brabus for this great opportunity to experience this car and film it today for you guys. Let's start with the walk around, starting with the front of this brutal GT 900 Rocket by Brabus. Guys, there's a lot of things that they have changed, literally everything. I expected a GT 800 with a few add-ons and more power, but this is a whole new model. Just look, this car will be limited to 10 pieces only, so if you want one, you need to be fast, guys. Let's start with a walk around, starting with the front of this brutal beast, guys. You see, we have the Brabus spec on this car, reminding me of the Black Ops edition, full blacked out car with the red details. Starting with the headlights in the front of this car. Just look at this. We have the GT specific multi-beam headlights, looking very nice, very aggressive, suiting the overall look of the car. Also, we have the carbon details on the headlights, looking very nice. Continuing with the front, we have the Brabus specific front grille. This is not just a Panamericana. You see, Brabus has done a refinement on that one as well. We have, like, on the left and right hand side, like gloss carbon covers, looking very nice, fitting the overall look. Also on the right hand side, then we have the two red stripes on the grille. The full grille is finished in black. Then we have the Brabus front emblem where we normally have the star. We have the front camera, the Brabus B. Starting with the front bumper, you see there's an overall look finish here, looking very, very brutal. We have like bigger intakes here. You see no jet wing design, which we normally know from AMG, finished by Brabus. Here we have a whole new look. You see this intakes, the front splitter, full finished in carbon fiber. Looks like one single huge part. Just look at this, giving this car a beastie look, more devilish look. I love this. Guys, continuing with the walk around, let's concentrate on the side of this GT 900 Rocket. We have the GT photo specific silhouette, looking very sick. Something very cool about this car is that this is equipped with a wide body. So we, like with the GT 800, we don't have a wide body. And here on the GT 900 specific, just a Rocket, they have a wide body integrated. You see the car, like overall, is 7 centimeters wider. On each side, we have 3.5 centimeters of wide body work by Brabus. And now let's concentrate on the rims. These rims look similar to some, but we have like an additional aero part which is finished by Brabus here. You see the full finish is in black, then we have the carbon plus the red details, looking very nice. We have the Biturbo 900 badge on the side. The side mirrors on that one is finished in black. We also have an option to go for full carbon fiber. You see it's full finished in black. Also the door handles, even though we have the keyless go package. The wider body looking very, very nice. Then we have the rear wheels. You see these are the Platinum Edition monoblock Z21 forged wheels by BRABUS. You have the BRABUS B, the BRABUS brakes. Looking very nice. Honestly, I love these. Fit to the overall look of this car. And now, like my main highlight of this BRABUS GT is the rear. They have refined the rear as well. Just look at this, guys. Something I didn't like about the GT800 were the exhaust tips, because they remind me of literally every single BRABUS car. For example, the C450, the A25, they all have these exhaust tips. But now I got used to it and it looks very nice, to be honest. Let's start with the rear. Let me just start with the taillight. You see we have the GT4 door specific taillights, looking very nice and slick. Really love these. And we have the Rocket badge, full finish in black. Then we have it surrounded by the red detail. We have the BRABUS B and the BRABUS badge as well. And something I love about this is the rear spoiler. I was like, when they first announced and released the GT800, I was expecting something like this. You see, this is full finished in carbon fiber. Then we have these kind of flaps here, also finished in a red touch, suiting the overall look of this BRABUS Rocket. See, this is an add-on by BRABUS, full finished in carbon fiber as well. Looking very nice. Concentrating on the rear diffuser, you see we have the diffuser itself finished in carbon fiber. Then we have the exhaust tips, and you see like the whole element is like finished in a step design. You have these kind of steps here, giving it a very brutal and sporty look. Then we have the exhaust tips finished in carbon fiber with the BRABUS B. Very, very nice. I wish they were bigger. It's the only thing I miss on this car. I wish they like finished the exhaust tips a little bit bigger, wider to fit the overall look of the rear. It's the only thing I'm not really convinced about. That's really the only thing, but I got used to it. Continuing with the diffuser, you see we have full finish in carbon fiber, looking very, very nice. So that's basically for a walk around of this beast. And now it's time to step in. But before we do that, let me show you the key of this BRABUS GT 900. Here we have Mercedes-AMG specific key. It's the normal one, the latest one. On the back we have the BRABUS B, high performance automobiles. Unlocking the car, time to step in to show you the special interior on that one. Let's go. So let's just start with the door panels. As you see, we have a very special stitching on that one. So the first time I see this, this stitching is called Crest. It's finished by BRABUS themselves in their factory in Bottrop. You see, we have real black leather and the nice Alcantara finish with the black stitching and red lines. The overall finish on that is masterpiece, honestly. You see this, it looks so unique, guys. I've never seen such and great leather works. Here we have the BRABUS entrance board, which is illuminated. Then we have the floor mats, you see also with the crest stitching, BRABUS Rocket. Wow, full finished in leather with the red details. Now let's step in to have a closer look. This BRABUS GT. Have the AMG emblem. I wish they had the BRABUS emblem instead. Would have been much cooler. Starting with the interior, let's start with the beautiful steering wheel on that one. It's full finished and leathered, and this is real leather. You already feel it. The quality of this it's unbelievable. Then we have the red stitching. We have the 12 o'clock trim as well, and the BRABUS leatherworks on the bottom. Then the airbag cover is full finished in Alcantara. Very, very cool. Love this. Mercedes star. We have the BRABUS specific shift pedals, looking very nice. And all in all, piano black finish. We have the Alcantara on the center console with the red stitching. And then on the bottom part, you see we have the full leather works with the red stitching. Really nice contrast, like the Alcantara plus leather. Looks very nice. We have no touchpad. Why? This car costs around 400,000 euros and we don't have a touchpad. BRABUS, are you kidding me? But never mind, guys. Let's focus on the center console. You see we have the badge 1 of 10, which we also know from the GV12 edition, which is also limited to 10 pieces worldwide. Then we have the shift knob, which is super cool.
It's finished in a red gloss. Then we have the black leather and the Brabus B. Love this. Continuing here with the interior, we have the beautiful seats, which are also finished in a full black leather work. You see, we have the red lines, the red stitching, the Brabus B on the headrest. And we have this. It's an additional badge, you see, with the sign of Konstantin Buschmann. He is Mr. Brabus, the CEO of Brabus. I really love this detail. It's full finished in red. I don't know if it's a foil or it's the overall finish. It feels so nice, honestly. So that's it basically for the interior. As you see, the rear passenger seat row is also, there's a lot of space, guys. We have 2 seats here, which are also finished in a leather trim. We have the red lines. We have beautiful red seat belts also in the front. The door panels, which are also finished in the crest stitching. We have the 3D Burmester sound system, guys. There's nothing which they left here besides the touchpad, which really frustrates me. But that's it basically for the interior. I hope you all enjoyed and loved it as much as I did. Now it's time to step out, start the driving. Let's go. But now it's time to demonstrate you the sound of this beast, because there's also a performance exhaust by Brabus. So let's go. Wow, guys, this is unbelievable. I love this sound. You have like cracks and pops. One single reminder, the engine is not fully warmed, so we'll be taking it out for a spin later on and demonstrate you the real sound of this. Let's go.